Hey beautiful people, so I'm showing you how I deep condition this dry, dusty, musty, not musty, but how I get my hair to pop with coconut milk. So this shot is freshly washed hair. It really does not matter what shampoo you use, which is why I'm not showing what shampoo I use, because I'm trying to get away from chemicals and I want you guys to do the same. My hair was not like this 6 months ago, but ever since I've been moving into using products like coconut milk, avocado, flaxseed, my hair has completely transformed. So this is the star of the show, this organic coconut milk. You can use whatever brand you like, really. I just prefer this one from Target because it only has a couple ingredients and they're plant-based. So I just poured it into this bowl. Y'all, I should have put this into a squeezy bottle, which I have plenty of. But honestly, this formula has changed since the last time I did it. Randomly, the formula got a lot more liquidy. So that's why it looks a hot mess right now. But you just want to drench all of your strands. You can see from these shots, I drenched each section in the coconut milk, and I let it sit for I want to say 2 hours, but yeah, I just sectioned it off, put the coconut milk right on. There's no technique or special method to this. You just want to get it onto your hair and give your hair some time. You want to make sure your hair is wet first so that it absorbs it. And yes, I'm using this shopping bag. That's all I had. I'm gonna use what I got. This is what it looks like after I rinse it out after those couple hours, and then you can just throw in whatever leave-in conditioner you want. But I use this Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in. It's just a really great product. My hair gets so soft with it, and it's the only thing that I'll use after I put in the coconut milk. But this has transformed my hair. It's helped me move away from using chemicals in my hair, and y'all, it's amazing, and it's $2. So try it out. My hair has never been so bouncy and healthy and happy since I've been moving away from using chemicals. This is how it looks after about a few days. It gets nice and fluffy, and I just let it transform and do what it wants to do. So yeah, that's the video for today. Subscribe and like for weekly hair videos.